Hello everyone, welcome to this CEH v12 demo video. You can see in the screen aspen.ec-council.com. This is the subdomain. So when you first register for this course, you will get a subscription code from the training partner. After you submit the subscription code by clicking on My Courses, and then there will be a pop-up, and when you submit the subscription code, you will your CEH v12 course will be unlocked. And then for me it's different because I'm a certified EC-Council instructor for CEH v12 course. So this is my instructor guide, instructor slide. These are the lab setup guide and different tools that you can download. So when you submit the subscription code, you will see that there will be a CEH v12 tab that you can click, and when you click, it will redirect to a different tab. I mean, it will open a new tab and it will be bookshelf.vitalsource.com, where you will have your Certified Ethical Hacker version 12 materials. So that's simple. So after you have this access, you have to go through the training, and within 1 year you have to take the exam, and after passing the exam you will be a certified ethical hacker. You will get the certification from EC-Council. And the practicals, hands-on practicals is earlier it was iLabs. Now you can access, you can do the hands-on practical labs in cyberq.io. That is also you can actually click and it will redirect, just like the tabs you will see actually when you subscribe to CEH. So this is a demonstration for demo video for CEH v12 version 12 by Certified Ethical Hacker. Myself, my name is Ivan Das, and this is a demo video about Certified Ethical Hacker. So in CEH version 12, in Certified Ethical Hacker, we always have 20 modules, and this is version 12 at present. And these are the modules actually: Introduction to Ethical Hacking, Footprinting and Reconnaissance, Scanning Network, Enumeration, Vulnerability Analysis, System Hacking, Malware Threats, Sniffing, Social Engineering, Denial of Service, Session Hijacking, Evading IDS, Firewall and Honeypots. So these are all you can see modules, and it ends in 20th modules, Cryptography. So the first module is all about Introduction to Ethical Hacking. What is ethical hacking? What is hacking? Why ethical hacking is legal? Why hacking is illegal? So this will be discussed during the course actually. And then you will learn about different techniques used by adversaries or hackers. So ethical hacking is legal, and why are we learning ethical hacking is because to beat a hacker we should think like a hacker, or to beat a thief we should think like a thief, and that way we will learn how actually hackers hack and do cyber breaches, destroy data, steal data or modify data after gaining unauthorized access. So that way we can contribute to cyber security. So that is the role of an ethical hacker. The ethical hacker will have a written permission from the organization's owner or the board, and then after getting the permission, ethical hacker will do security assessment or penetration testing, and all the methods that he or she will learn during this course will apply, and then find out the security weakness before the hacker does, and suggest countermeasures to prevent any major cyber breach from happening in the future. So here the introduction to ethical hacking is all about like introduction, no practical, and hands-on practical or labs will start from module 2, and you will learn about hackers methodologies actually. What are the adversaries or cyber criminals tactics and techniques that they use. So that way we can also use those tactics and techniques or the methodologies. In this course it is given that all the tools, and so that way actually we will be competent, and then comfortably we can do the security assessment and find those security weakness in any organization, maybe working as a third-party consultant or working on behalf of your organization where you are already working. So you will learn this technique methodologies in here: footprinting and reconnaissance. So what is footprinting and reconnaissance? You will learn in this module actually. And let me share a little because it's a demo video, and then I will also jump into practical, not only talking about the theory. So the first, that is the second module. Here we will start with the concept of footprinting actually. So footprinting is collection of information about a target. So when a hacker or a cyber criminal first plans that finds a target that he or she is interested in and want to gain something, like mostly financial gain, or there can be other motives also, that is actually different thing. So they use or the cyber criminals or hackers actually, they use footprinting as part of their first step. So footprinting is the first step of any attack on information system, in which an attacker collects information about a target network to identify various ways to intrude into the system. So here the attacker use this. So we also, because we are learning ethical hacking, and this is certified ethical hacking course. So here we also will learn the same tactics used by hackers or cyber criminals, so that we can understand, and then that way we can actually think like a hacker to beat the hacker actually. So hackers use a footprinting technique, so we also should know to do security assessment as ethical hackers, or do penetration testing. So that's why we are learning footprinting. That is the first step of hacking. So here it is divided or classified into two types of footprinting: is passive footprinting and active footprinting. So when the adversary or cyber criminal, they gather information about their target without direct interaction, it is called passive footprinting. And when the adversaries or cyber criminals or hackers gather information about the target with direct interaction, it is called actually active footprinting. So we also should know how to do passive footprinting and active footprinting as an ethical hacker, because as by doing ethical hacking, we are doing actually is the security assessment on behalf of the organization, and that way we are actually contributing to cyber security and helping those organizations to improve their defenses, cyber defenses. So ethical hacking is offensive cyber security. There is also defensive cyber security, like blue team is defensive and red teams are offensive cyber security, like tactics where they actually hack into their own system with permission, of course. Here, so you can think like what actually the adversaries generally collect information during the footprinting process. So they collect organization information, network information, system information. Under organizational information, they will try to collect employee details, telephone numbers, branch, location, etc. Network information, they will collect domains, subdomains, etc. And in system information, they will try to collect web servers, etc. And this is the methodologies. So next we will do the hands-on, like how actually the adversaries collect information. This course is designed like everything is there in the practical, step by step, with screenshots. So whenever you enroll to this course, you can also contact me, and I also work for some training partners where you will get it discounted, like CEH, if you're interested to pursue or sign up for CEH course. So you will get a voucher, and then that voucher you have to log into Aspen portal and then submit the voucher by clicking on my courses. There will be a pop-up, and then your course will be unlocked, and you will also have access to this bookshelf and CyberQ. So the methodology is like how the hacker will actually collect all those information through active and passive footprinting. So footprinting through search engine is like a method for collecting information, and this can be done using advanced Google hacking techniques. Google hacking database, Google advanced searches, through video search engines, through Meta FTP search engines, and through IoT search engines, Internet of Things search engines. Again, footprinting through web services can be done using people search services, financial services and job sites, deep and dark web footprinting, that is collecting information from dark web, deep and dark web. Then footprinting through social networking sites. These are different through which we can sources. Website footprinting. These are the sources. Web spidering, internet archive, word list, etc. So these are different techniques of footprinting, and these are how we can do actually. And in CyberQ, you can see after learning the theory of what is footprinting, and we have 20 modules in CH like footprinting, and then we have network scanning, enumeration, vulnerability analysis, etc. So vulnerability assessment. So in CyberQ we have this bookshelf we have a lab manual as well. So here you can see lab setup guide, and this is ethical hacking and countermeasures V2 lab manual. So this is also the same thing which we can see in CyberQ. So footprinting and reconnaissance is the first lab where the students can do hands-on. So this is footprinting and reconnaissance. So here you will get a little theory also as well related to what is footprinting and reconnaissance, the lab scenario, and then what is the objective of doing this hands-on lab related to footprinting, and then what is the environment of the lab, like what we will use. We want Windows 11, we'll use Parrot Security Virtual Machine, we'll use Windows Server 2019 machine, web browser, administrator privilege to run the tools, and the duration approximately it will take around 220 minutes. This is the overview of footprinting. These are different lab tasks that first we need to gather information. This way the student will be competent and become an ethical hacker and gain or pick up those skills that is required during the security assessment actually. So there are a lot of tools, techniques and tools, open source tools we will use. So this lab manual is same that I'm going to show in CyberQ. So performing, this is the first lab, perform footprinting through search engine. So we want this is our objective, this is the environment we require, and this lab will be around 20 minutes duration, and it will give you step by step. As you can see here, I'll just enlarge, try to expand this. So here first task will be given to collect information from Google through advanced search technique, and we will use Windows 11 machine. We will log into Windows 11 machine. So we can set up the labs in our laptop and PC using virtualization software like VMware and VirtualBox. That you can do on your own, or if you already have access to CyberQ, so this already actually we have in the browser through web services in the cloud. So this is Parrot, like you can see in this tab we can have a Parrot system. It's in connected, all these actually operating systems connected in the same LAN, virtual LAN. And this is attacker machine. Then we have Windows 11 machine, Android machine. This is Android. So this we can access using the CyberQ link, and this is part of the subscription. You will get it like when you subscribe to EC-Council, EC-Council's CEH v12 certification course. For that you can contact me, or also contact any training partner who can give you the discounted, or better you contact me because I can. So this is a quick demo actually to make you familiar with CEH v12 course. So I have this Windows Server 2019 and then Windows Server 2022. It's not loading for some reason. Yeah, now it's loading. You can see the screen saver. So here screen. This is the like to see the login prompt, we need to press Ctrl Alt Delete. So directly we cannot press it from here actually. For that we have to click it here. Like if we click Ctrl Alt Delete the tab, it will do the same work. Now we can type the password to log into the system. So the password is PASSWORD. This is the password actually, and we can paste it from different technique. Like better we type. So then I can log into this, as you can see, and do the practical whatever instruction will be given. And here is the document I was talking about. So this is lab manual that we are actually doing, logging to the Windows 11, or now I'm logging into Windows Server 2019. And then we can open Google. What is the next step? There will be a screenshot after that. Next tab. Here we need to search using advanced Google hacking technique. And why are we using? During the course, the instructor will give you a clear view, a clear idea. And these instructions actually we can do. This is the lab manual, and the same thing is here. If you click on open document, and we have some flags, like capture the flags. So if you click on red flags, there will be some task like use an advanced Google hacking technique to find PDF files of the website EC Council, and whatever will be the answer you have to type here in this and then submit, or you can skip. So there will be different tasks to get the flags, actually red flags. And then if you click on this document and then click on documentation, it will open a new tab, and now you can see the CyberQ lab manual. The same thing, this is the lab manual, but when you do the hands-on lab practical in CyberQ, and you can side by side see this manual. So this is, again, you can see the scenario, objective, lab task, and then duration of the lab. So first lab is performing footprinting through search engine, and these are different techniques. You can see like we are going to gather information using advanced Google hacking technique. So this is the first lab task. We need to log into Windows 11, Control Alt Delete. I have already pressed in CyberQ, as you can see earlier. I mean, you saw earlier. Then I typed the password, and then I logged in. So logging in, I need to do. So this everything is there step by step with screenshots, so that you are not confused and you are comfortable while doing the hands-on practical, and you can do it in CyberQ. So here I can also expand it. Here I can open this in a new tab. So this will look little expand. I mean, now it's very little small, but I can yeah, you can see. So now this I can actually open a browser, or I can open Google Chrome. Right now I'm in Windows Server 2019, but instead I should have actually opened Windows 11 machine. So I can do that. This is Windows 11 machine. So again, I need to log in for that, like press Ctrl Alt Delete. Then I will see the login screen, and then I can log in, open in a new tab also. I can do that. And here you can see I need to go and then press this in title login, and then site EC Council. This advanced search operator will give only the login site. So these are different techniques used by hackers that we are actually learning to be competent and be an ethical hacker, so that we can independently do cybersecurity assessment to suggest countermeasures, find out security weaknesses before a real hacker does, to prevent or contribute to cybersecurity and prevent a major cyber attack, or maybe any like risk or threat to that organization. We can mitigate those to an acceptable level. So this is just a quick demonstration. If you want more videos like this, you can comment. I will post this video in YouTube. If you're seeing in a later date, now I'm recording actually at this point of time, and then you can comment, and then I will also pick up a different topic if you're interested, or if you want to know more about or want to enroll in CEH course, you can contact me through, I think, the Google. You can comment, and then I can contact you from there. Anyway, these are different Google hacking techniques. You can see cache, any URL, what it does in URL. In URL, the operator restricts the result to a page containing the word specific. So if you're a complete beginner with no knowledge at all, you're not having even technical knowledge, you can enroll CH and you can pursue your career in ethical hacking if you want to learn or dive into ethical hacking as a career from now onwards. So CH certification is a good certificate to start with actually, and then sky is the limit. There are different certificates also by EC Council that you can go ahead and subscribe to those. So again, gather information from video search engine. So first module will be all about collecting information, footprinting. So after collecting all information, the hacker, what they does is they do scanning and then do enumeration, find out any weaknesses, and they start the system hacking. So this also ethical hackers or cybersecurity professionals during ethical hacking, they should have those skills. So here in the later labs, the student will learn all that actually, methods and steps with screenshots, lot of hands-on labs, and the capture the flag things like to practice. Like if you want to after learning all those skills, you can find these answers actually. Again here, like if I scroll further down, you can see use security trail to gather information regarding the subdomain and DNS record of certifiedhacker.com website. Enter yes if you find any NS record, else enter no. So again, according to your answer, you will get a result whether you're correct or not. So this is also interesting. You can learn this way. And yeah, so this is all about scanning. Then it's a network, scanning the network, enumeration, and so on. Like we have 20 modules. So I hope this video was informative and you find it interesting. If you like the video, you can press the like button in YouTube, and you can also subscribe to my channel for more updates related to cybersecurity related content, and also more into CH, Certified Ethical Hacker versions. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.